Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to activate eye comfort mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick display, go to eye comfort, and if you'd like to activate it right now, just click on enable, and that's it. As you can see now it's active, and you can personalize the temperature of the color, so it can be some cooler or warmer colors, and then you can switch it off the same way smoothly by tapping on the switcher. You can also schedule eye comfort mode, just click on scheduled, and now select the period of time, so it can be 11 p.m. till 6 a.m. next day. And as you can see, from now on, every day between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. next day, eye comfort mode would be active. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate this blue light filter. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.